Trading is frequently misunderstood as a simple game of pattern recognition, yet spotting a textbook setup is only half the equation. Most people believe that if they find the perfect chart pattern, the money will naturally follow. But this is a dangerous illusion. The true challenge lies in the ability to execute your plan without your own emotions sabotaging the entire trading process from within. When a trader spots a potential move, the biological response of fear and greed often triggers a cascade of poor, impulsive decisions. Your heart rate spikes, and you start calculating potential profits before you have even entered the trade, clouding your objective judgment. This internal cocktail of excitement and terror causes traders to enter too early, size too large, or bail on their stop losses. These instincts lead to panic-induced exits that destroy your capital before the trade ever has a chance to actually mature. The pattern on your screen was perfectly fine, but your own psychology destroyed the trade long before the price moved against you. Winners distinguish themselves by accepting that a good trade is defined by strict rule adherence, not by the immediate financial outcome. We are biologically wired to associate losses with failure, but in the world of trading, that specific wiring will eventually bankrupt you. Let us look at what disciplined execution actually looks like when the market is selling off for weeks and fear is extreme. The volume remains heavy, but price stops making new lows, signaling that exhaustion is setting in and a bottom is forming. Price bounces, but then it comes back down to retest those same lows, which is the moment most traders begin to panic. They assume the bottom has failed, but the disciplined trader watches the volume on the retest for a very specific confirmation. If the volume is lower than the original sell-off, it means the sellers tried again, but nobody showed up to support them. Then, the price breaks below the floor, creating the illusion of a breakdown that tricks late sellers into piling on shorts. Stops trigger everywhere, creating a cascade of forced selling, but then the market suddenly snaps back inside the previous range. This is a liquidity trap, one of the most powerful signals in technical analysis, but it requires buying when everything feels terrible. That is not a natural human response. It is a trained behavior that separates the professional traders from the retail masses. Next, the price breaks above the most recent lower high with a strong, impulsive move, signaling that the market character has shifted. You wait for a pullback into support before entering, because you know that chasing is emotional, while waiting is disciplined. Now, here is the part almost nobody understands. You could execute that exact playbook perfectly and still lose on the trade. That outcome would not make you wrong, because your job as a trader is not to be right, but to follow the process. The market rewards process over time, not any single outcome, and you must internalize this distinction to survive the long haul. Consider Roger Federer, who only won 54% of his points across his entire career, yet is considered a legendary performer. Michael Jordan missed more shots than he made, and Babe Ruth held the strikeout record for decades while still being a legend. The greatest performers in any field are not defined by their win rate, but by how they handle the losses along the way. Most retail traders never last long enough to see this play out, because they let one bad day define their entire identity. They let a single losing trade convince them they are incompetent, causing them to abandon their rules after a painful drawdown. That is the exact moment where winners and losers diverge, as winners treat a losing day as simple data for improvement. Losers treat every loss as a personal failure, while winners follow their process whether they feel confident or absolutely terrified. Losers only execute when it feels comfortable, which means they miss the best setups because those always form when fear is highest. 3 things build this necessary resilience, starting with the need for a system that goes beyond random, lagging technical indicators. You need a coherent process with clear, written rules for entry, exit, and risk management to act as your emotional anchor. Your system is what keeps you grounded when the market volatility tries to sweep your logic and your discipline away entirely. Second, you need people around you who understand the journey, because trading in isolation magnifies every single negative emotional response. Surround yourself with a community that will hold you accountable when your emotions are trying to break your established trading rules. Third, you must redefine success by stopping the measurement of daily profit and loss, which is often out of your control. Start measuring success by how well you followed your process, as that is the only metric that compounds over your career. Here is your action step. Before you look at a single chart tomorrow, write your rules down clearly on physical paper. Define your entry conditions, your exit conditions, your risk per trade, and your position size before the market even opens. After every trade, grade yourself on only one thing. Did you follow the rules you set for yourself that morning? Do that for 30 days, and you will see a massive transformation in how you trade and how you feel while doing it. Now, here is the hard truth. Everything I just taught you is only step 5 of a complete 5-step trading framework. Discipline is what makes the framework work, but discipline applied to a flawed strategy is still just a path to failure. You still need to know what to buy, how to price it, and whether your financial foundation can handle a drawdown. You must understand your time horizon and how long you should hold an asset before you even consider touching the position. That is exactly what my main video breaks down in detail, covering the framework used to build massive, long-term wealth. We explore the exact process that legendary investors run through before they commit capital to a single stock or asset. Step 1 is understanding the business, ensuring you know exactly what you own and why you own it for the long term. Step 2 is evaluating the price, making sure you are not overpaying for the value you are actually receiving in return. Step 3 is your financial foundation, ensuring your personal balance sheet is strong enough to weather any market volatility. Step 4 is your time horizon, which dictates your strategy and keeps you from panic selling during temporary market corrections. Step 5 is the discipline you just learned in this video, which acts as the protective shield for the first 4. Without the first 4 steps, your discipline has nothing to protect, and your efforts will ultimately be wasted on bad ideas. The market is a giant machine that transfers wealth from the impatient to the prepared, and you need both parts. You need the analytical framework to find the right opportunities, and the psychological discipline to execute them without hesitation. If you are ready to stop guessing and start building a real professional process, the full breakdown is ready for you. The link to the complete 5-step framework is right below this video, so click it now to start your journey. Stop letting your emotions dictate your financial future and start applying the same rigor as the world's most successful investors. Building true resilience requires moving past raw emotional impulses. You must replace reactive decision-making with a concrete, systematic framework that removes the guesswork from your daily routine. Start by finding a supportive community of like-minded traders. Surrounding yourself with others who prioritize process adherence over quick profits helps normalize the discipline required for long-term survival. Trading in isolation often magnifies every emotional response you have. By connecting with others, you gain an external perspective that helps you stay grounded when the market gets volatile. Redefine your personal metric for success. Instead of obsessing over daily profit or loss, shift your focus entirely to how well you followed your predefined trading rules. This shift is critical because your brain is wired to fear losses as failures. By focusing on the process, you detach your identity from the outcome of a single trade. The most actionable path forward involves rigorous documentation. Write down specific, non-negotiable rules for your entries, your exits, and your risk management parameters for every single trade. Keep these rules visible on your desk. When the market moves, you should not be thinking about what to do. You should be executing the plan you already wrote down. Commit to grading your performance solely on rule adherence for 30 days. This creates a feedback loop that rewards consistency rather than the random outcomes of the market. During this month, ignore your P&L sheet. Instead, tally how many times you followed your system perfectly, even if the trade resulted in a financial loss. This practice transforms the way you perceive the market. You stop seeing a loss as a personal defeat and start viewing it as a necessary cost of doing business. However, remember that discipline alone is insufficient if it is applied to a flawed strategy. You cannot simply be disciplined at losing money. Your foundation must be sound. Discipline is the engine, but your strategy is the vehicle. If the vehicle is broken, even the most disciplined driver will never reach their destination safely. True mastery requires a comprehensive 5-step framework. This includes deep understanding of the business, careful evaluation of price action, and securing a solid financial foundation for your capital. You must also define a clear time horizon for your investments. Discipline is the final, vital piece that protects the integrity of this broader, more sophisticated investment strategy. By integrating these structural foundations with psychological rigor, you move away from the retail cycle of boom and bust. You stop gambling and start operating a professional business. This is the transition from being a market participant to being a market operator. It requires a level of patience that most retail traders simply refuse to develop. Ultimately, you align your methodology with the proven wealth-building processes used by legendary investors like Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch, focusing on long-term growth over short-term noise. They did not succeed by guessing or reacting to every tick on the chart. They succeeded by having a rigid process that they followed without exception for decades. When you look at their track records, you see the result of thousands of disciplined decisions. Each one was a small, calculated step toward a massive, long-term goal. Your goal should be to replicate this level of consistency. It starts with the very next trade you take, and it ends with a complete transformation of your portfolio. The market is a giant machine designed to separate the emotional from their money. It thrives on your fear, your greed, and your lack of a defined, repeatable process. To beat the machine, you must become more mechanical than the machine itself. You must act with the same precision, regardless of whether you are winning or losing. This is not about being a robot. It is about being a professional who understands that the market is indifferent to your feelings, your needs, or your desires. When you accept this indifference, you are finally free to focus on what you can control. You can control your entry, your exit, and your risk management. You cannot control the market's direction. You cannot control the news cycle. You cannot control the herd mentality that drives prices to irrational highs or lows. Focusing on what you cannot control is the fastest way to lose your edge. It leads to frustration, overtrading, and the eventual abandonment of your core strategy. Instead, channel that energy into your daily review. Analyze your trades not for the money made, but for the quality of the execution you displayed throughout the day. Ask yourself if you were patient. Ask yourself if you waited for the setup to fully form before you pulled the trigger, or if you jumped in out of fear. These questions are the building blocks of your new identity. You are no longer a gambler hoping for a win. You are an executor of a proven system. The beauty of this approach is that it compounds over time. Just as interest compounds in a bank account, your discipline compounds into a massive competitive advantage. Every time you follow your rules, you strengthen your mental muscle. Every time you ignore your emotions, you weaken the grip that fear has on your decision-making process. This is a slow process, but it is the only one that lasts. There are no shortcuts in the world of professional trading, only the persistent application of sound principles. If you find yourself struggling, go back to the basics. Reread your rules, reevaluate your risk. Ensure that your foundation is as strong as it needs to be. Never be afraid to admit when your system needs adjustment. A professional is always refining their process, learning from the market, and adapting to new conditions. But do not change your system because of a losing streak. Change it only when you have data that proves your current approach is fundamentally flawed or outdated. Data is your best friend in this journey. It provides the objective truth that your emotions try to hide from you during the heat of the trading day. Keep a journal of every trade. Include your thoughts, your feelings, and the technical reasons for your entry. Review this journal every single weekend, without fail. You will start to see patterns in your own behavior. You will notice when you are most likely to break your rules and what triggers those emotional responses. Once you identify these triggers, you can build defenses against them. You can set up alerts, limit your screen time, or step away when the market gets too chaotic. This level of self-awareness is what separates the top 1% of traders from the rest of the pack. It is the ultimate secret to long-term success. As you continue to refine your process, you will notice something interesting. The market will start to look less like a battlefield and more like a series of opportunities. You will stop feeling the need to be in every trade. You will be comfortable waiting for the perfect setup, knowing that the market will always provide another chance. This patience is a form of power. It allows you to conserve your capital for the moments when the probability of success is highest, maximizing your long-term returns. Remember that you are playing a game of probability, not certainty. Even the best setup in the world will fail sometimes, and that is perfectly okay. When a trade fails, do not look for someone to blame. Do not look for a conspiracy in the market. Simply accept the loss and move on to the next opportunity. Your ability to handle the loss is what defines your character as a trader. If you can lose with grace and discipline, you have already won the most important battle. The market will test you every single day. It will try to break your resolve, tempt you with easy money, and scare you into making irrational, impulsive decisions. Stay firm in your commitment to your process. Your future self will thank you for the discipline you are building today, one trade at a time. There is no greater feeling than knowing you followed your plan, regardless of the outcome. That is the true mark of a professional trader who is built to last. As you move forward, keep these core principles in mind. They are the bedrock upon which your entire trading career will be built, tested, and eventually perfected. Discipline is not a destination. It is a daily practice. It is something you must choose every morning when you sit down in front of your charts. Make that choice consciously. Remind yourself why you are doing this and what you are working toward. Keep your long-term vision clear and your daily actions aligned. The road ahead is challenging, but it is also incredibly rewarding. You are embarking on a path that few have the courage to follow to the very end. Stay focused on the process. Stay committed to your rules. And most importantly, stay true to the discipline that will carry you through the market's many cycles. Every trade is a lesson. Every loss is a teacher. Every win is a confirmation that you are on the right track, provided you followed your process. Trust the system you have built. It has been designed to protect you, to guide you, and to help you navigate the complexities of the financial world. You have the tools. You have the knowledge. Now, you just need the consistency to apply it day after day, week after week, and year after year. The market will always be there, waiting for those who are prepared. Be the trader who is ready, who is disciplined, and who is always in control. This is your journey. Own it, respect it, and never stop learning. The rewards are waiting for those who have the patience to earn them over time. Start today. Write your rules, commit to your process, and watch as your trading life begins to change in ways you never thought possible. Good luck.
If this clicked for you, share it with someone who needs to hear it and subscribe. Every week I break down exactly how the market works in plain language, no fluff, no noise, just the stuff that actually matters for your money. I will see you in the next one.